We're currently in Saas-Fee in Switzerland. What exactly is this town like? What is the food like? Well, come with us, let's check it out. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We're in Switzerland. It's our first proper time in Switzerland. We came to Geneva for a day and yeah, that was nice, but we're actually in Switzerland proper. We're in a ski resort called Saas-Fee, and we're not skiing, but the kids are. But we're going to go out now and we're going to explore the town because it looks amazing and the weather's stunning. I'm sat outside. Can you believe I'm sat outside? Let me show you here. This is my view at the moment. There's a group of skiing people there just turned up. Skiers. Look. It's crazy when you see all this snow here and yet you can sit on that chair and you're nice and warm. So we're gonna go for an explore. I'm gonna take you around this town. Let's get going. A nice big supermarket. Quite a big supermarket. Gonna go have a stroll into the town. Oh, it's another little shop, I think. We've got a bigger shop near us. The glasses are coming out. It's sunny. This looks like an original house, maybe? Lots of cute little shops. Look at the buildings. Loads of places to hire. This is cool. Watch your back, Dave. So many lovely bars. Just such a lovely town. He's asleep. We've got coffee and hot dogs. And there's runs over there, and there's runs here. Hi guys. So any of you that follow us know that we make cruise vlogs, and we've just booked a cruise on Fred Olsen's Valais to go and see some glaciers, and we've paid for a quite expensive trip. And we've come here to Switzerland, and look at the glaciers here. Let me turn the camera around. So up there, look at them. Literally, this is a view off our balcony. And if I scan around here, these are all glaciers, and we've got them from our balcony view. Absolutely amazing. So I do love my cruises. There's no two ways about it. I love my cruises. But you can come to places like Switzerland and get experiences like that. So excited. We're going to carry on taking you around this amazing place. I'm going to show you some of the food as well, because I'm not showing you the food yet. So come with us. Let's get carrying on exploring. This is where we're coming and having our dinner today. Seb's fed up, but to be fair to him, he's been up since 2:30 this morning. But look at this.
You don't dip them in. I think you have to cut through the cheese sometimes.
Wow.
I ordered that cheese thing. They've got the ragu wrap. Yeah. Guess I'll be having the ice cream.
We also spend a day in Zamat and check out the stunning town. I mean, look at the views of the Matterhorn there with the train in front of it. Absolutely beautiful. So I'd make a little video, probably just a little short video of that for anybody who may be interested. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I hope to see you on some future vlogs.